What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the automatic shutdown or restart problem you are facing on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. These issues can happen due to various reasons, such as software conflicts, corrupted system files, hardware malfunctions, or even overheating issues. It's a frustrating problem, but the good news is that there are solutions available to tackle it. First, visit the PassFab FixUWin website. You can find the link in the video description below. On their website, look for the download option. Once you find it, click to start the download. After the download is complete, you need to install the software. Just follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve accepting the license agreement and choosing an installation location. With PassFab FixUWin installed, it's time to launch the application. Upon opening, the software will prompt you to create a boot disk. While you can use any disk for this purpose, I recommend using an external USB drive, especially if the PC with the issue isn't the one you're currently using. To create the boot disk, insert your external USB drive into the PC. In PassFab FixUWin, click on Create Now. The software will begin downloading the necessary files onto your USB drive. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection speed. Once the boot disk is ready, safely eject it from your PC and connect it to the PC that's experiencing the auto shutdown or restart problem. Start the problematic PC and immediately access its boot menu. If you're unsure how to do this, PassFab FixUWin offers a How to Boot a USB flash drive tab with detailed instructions for various PC brands. For example, on an Asus desktop, you typically press F12, while on their laptops, you might need to press Escape. In the boot menu, navigate to the option that allows you to boot from your external USB drive. Select this option, and your PC will load the PassFab FixUWin software. In the software interface, choose the System Startup Repair function. This will initiate the process to fix the auto shutdown or restart issue. It's crucial to use this tool ethically and responsibly. Make sure you're attempting to fix an issue on a system you own or have permission to access and modify. When this is done, you should run the System File Checker scan. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This process will scan and attempt to repair corrupted system files. Wait for the scan to complete, and then you can close this window. Next, make sure you're running the latest Windows Update version. Open up your Windows settings. Click on Update and Security or Windows Update, and then select Check for updates. Download and install any available updates. You might be required to restart your PC to finalize the process. In case nothing helps you out, then you'll be required to restore Windows to a previous point if one is available. Search for Create a Restore Point in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on System Restore and follow the prompts to choose a restore point prior to when the issue started. These steps should guide you in resolving the automatic shutdown or restart problem on your Windows PC. Along with this tutorial, I've compiled more information and detailed steps in an extensive guide. You can access this guide via the link in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.